Hello, chreu. I'm Tara Frank. I've been making online content for Coed Lleol for about 1.5 years now. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on making videos and also some tips on how to make a supportive atmosphere over Zoom sessions. I like to have a thorough plan because it enables me to see which information I need to give in which location, and therefore I don't miss out any close-ups of like my equipment, my process or my outcome. I also think it's important to work with someone behind the camera that you're comfortable with and communicate well with. It's very useful to have someone that can walk backwards well too. So on that note, I'm going to pass over to Stefan, my wonderful camera operator.
Hello! So in terms of tips from a camera operator's point of view, it's really important to make sure all the batteries are well charged and you've got some extra battery packs like this one here. And as well as that, all humans involved need to be well fueled too, because it's important that throughout the day no one's losing their energy and everyone's keeping good spirits up. As in terms of equipment, I'll show you all the equipment now. So what equipment do we use? Basically the camera is an iPhone 7 and it does the job beautifully for us. We also use this thing here, which is a gimbal, and the phone goes on here and it makes the recording so smooth because it balances out with gravity. We also realised that the microphone from the phone wasn't good enough, so we bought another one to attach into it. And it has this little dead cat thing, I think it's called, which makes sure the wind and other background noises doesn't affect the sound too much. And most importantly is this battery pack, which you saw earlier, and this keeps us fully charged with our phone and the gimbal throughout the day. I'm now going to ask Tara some questions on how to make a supportive atmosphere on her Zoom sessions. So Tara,
Yes.
how do you make your participants feel comfortable at the start of your Zoom session?
First of all, I introduce exactly how the session is going to be run and what content we're going to cover so that there's no surprises. And then I also make sure to welcome them to contribute in whichever way they want. So whether that's unmuting themselves and talking, putting things in the chat box, or staying silent and just listening. I think those people need to be validated too.
And how do you manage your time between delivering the session and group participation?
Well, it can be quite difficult because you never know if people are going to talk or not, but I tend to just prepare to be able to deliver for the whole session in case people don't want to, and then leave room and places to prompt conversation and if it happens to allow it.
And how do you make everyone feel included in the session?
I think it's a case of using the functions that Zoom has, like the thumbs up, the surprised face. People tend to like putting out emojis because it doesn't require them to put themselves out there and be vulnerable as much.
Great.
I hope this video has been useful for you and good luck with making your online content. Please like and subscribe. My name's Tara Frank. Thanks for watching. Diolch am Coed Lleol.